Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get oxygen underwater in Minecraft. Staying submerged can be tricky, but there are several clever ways to breathe freely. One of the simplest methods involves creating an air pocket. Just place a door, sign, or ladder underwater, and it will instantly give you a small space to catch your breath. This is a quick and easy trick for short excursions. For longer underwater adventures, potions are your best friend. A potion of water breathing gives you a significant advantage. You can brew these powerful concoctions using a nether wart and a pufferfish. A standard potion will grant you 3 minutes of uninterrupted breathing, while an extended version will keep you breathing for a full 8 minutes. They are perfect for exploring shipwrecks or ocean monuments. If you're looking for a more permanent solution, the conduit is incredibly powerful. Once activated, a conduit provides unlimited underwater breathing, along with night vision and faster mining speed. To activate it, you need to construct a 3x3 frame of prismarine blocks around the conduit, ensuring it's completely submerged in water. This creates a powerful beacon for all your aquatic endeavors. Finally, let's talk about enchantments and specialized gear. The respiration enchantment on your helmet significantly extends your underwater breath. Combine that with Aqua Affinity for faster mining. For a quick boost, a turtle shell helmet gives you an additional 10 seconds of breath. And don't forget, eating kelp while submerged can instantly restore your breath meter, a handy trick in a pinch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.